Welcome to your math channel. Here, you learn math by solving exercises in a practical and straightforward way. To support the channel, subscribe and leave a like. I'm going to solve this problem in two different ways, so stick around until the end and let me know in the comments which one you think is easier. Let's go. Let's find the value of x inside this triangle. First rule, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees, no matter the size or shape of the triangle. So, the sum of this interior angle plus this interior angle plus this one, which we don't know the value of, is 180 degrees, okay. We'll come back to this rule in a moment. Now let's go to the second rule. We have here the value of an external angle, 110 degrees, which is the rule of supplementarity. The external angle and the adjacent internal angle, that is, this one here, is always 180 degrees, the sum of the two. We have the value of the exterior angle. So, if the sum of the two is 180, it will be 180 minus 110, which is the exterior angle. 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 1 is 7, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, this angle, the interior one, is 70. Okay. Now let's go back to the first rule. The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. This one, this one, this one, this one. If the sum of the three is 180 degrees, let's add them up here. It will be x. X plus 10 plus 70, that is, the sum is equal to 180 in total. X plus x is 2x, plus 10 plus 70 is 80, equals 180. Repeat the 2x here, the plus. Let's move it to the other side. Plus 80 becomes minus, so it will be equal to 180 minus 80. 180 minus 80, 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, carry down the 1. So we have 2x equals 100. Here, there's a multiplication happening, so let's move it to the other side as a division. So it becomes x equals 100 divided by 2. Now let's do this division. 100 divided by 2. Can 1 be divided by 2? No. Go to the next one. Now it's 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. How many zeros are left here? 1, that's the number of zeros you add here. So, x equals 50. So the correct answer is letter D. Now, let's solve it another way, the second method, which is the exterior angle theorem, which says the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the non-adjacent interior angles. So what does that mean? The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the non-adjacent interior angles, the sum of these two here, the non-adjacent ones, okay? So, the non-adjacent interior angles are x plus 10, which equals the exterior angle. That's the exterior angle theorem. So x plus x, that's 2x, plus 10 equals 110. 2x, oops. 2x, the 10 is going to the other side, so plus becomes minus equals 110 minus 10. X equals 110 minus 10, which is 100. 2x equals 100, x here is multiplying, so it goes to the other side dividing, which is 100 divided by 2, so we're back to that same calculation. 100 divided by 2, 1 doesn't divide, so move to the next digit. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract and you get 0. How many zeros are left here? 1. So you add 1 0 here. 50. So x equals 50. Now, we found the solution using the exterior angle theorem. So the answer is 50. Subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments which of the two solutions you liked better. See you in the next video.